Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. In the previous class, we learned different types of paragraph formatting. There are mainly two types of paragraph formatting. One is horizontal formatting and another one is vertical paragraph formatting. For horizontal formatting, we can select these four options. The first one, that is align left, the second one, that is center, third one, that is align right, and the fourth one is justify. And for vertical alignment, we have to go to layout, then page setup. From here, we select the layout tab and then we have to select the vertical alignment. Here we can choose four different options in vertical alignment. Those are top, center, justified and bottom. Okay. Today we are going to learn about line spacing. Line spacing refers to the space between two lines within a paragraph. This is one line and the second line. So the space, the white space between these two lines is called the line spacing. By using the line spacing, we can accommodate more lines within the same page, or we can increase the line spacing to make the paragraph more readability. Okay. Now check how we can change the line spacing. For changing the line spacing of a paragraph, select the paragraph. Okay. Now from the home tab menu, this is the ribbon, go to the paragraph option, this part. Here click on the line spacing and paragraph spacing option. You can see there are predefined line spacing are already there, like 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0. Okay, now just go through them one by one. You can see the space between the lines increased as we increase the line spacing, and they decrease as we decrease the line spacing. Okay. You can also specify the line spacing as per your requirement. So click on the line spacing option, then go to spacing here, and at this place give any manual value. Suppose I am giving 2.23 and click on the OK button. Now let's change the line spacing of second paragraph and look how they are looking different. The first paragraph is now of 1.24. The line spacing is there. Now let's check. Here I am selecting 2. Right? Okay, let's make this 1. This will look much more understandable. 1. You can see the space in between of these two paragraphs. The line spacing in this paragraph is 1 and the line spacing in this paragraph is 2. Let's make it 3, the next paragraph. So I hope now you understand how the line spacing changes the view of the document. Here the first paragraph is of line spacing 1, the second paragraph, this one, is line spacing 2 and the next one is line spacing 3. Okay, let's zoom out to see much more clearly. Okay, so the options that are already available in line spacing are 1, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0. Also, you can assign any other value by clicking on line spacing option and then put the value at this place. Anything. Okay. Now let's look at the other option. Over here there are 6 options are already available, that is single, 1.5 lines, double, at least, exactly and multiple. So when you select single, the line spacing is 1 or single. Okay. Next one is 1.5. So you can see how the line spacing will look in the paragraph. The next option is double. That is also called 2.2. The next option is at least. So here you can specify your own. Here it is already specified 12 points. That means single line spacing. If we made it 24, then let's look. You can see double line spacing. At least means the difference between the two lines should be minimum 24 points here. The next is exactly. Exactly it is 12 points. That means the spacing between the lines should be 12 points only. Okay. We can change it to, let's make it 24 and look how it is looking. Okay. The next one is multiple. Here you can specify your own, like 5.1. Just look at the line spacing between two lines within the paragraph. Let's make it 1.26. I hope now you can do the line spacing yourself also within a paragraph. Let's recapitulate it. To change the line spacing of a paragraph, we have to select the paragraph. Then go to the paragraph option within the home tab and click on the line and paragraph spacing button. From here, select the line spacing option, or you can also select the predefined options that are available here. Okay, and then give a value here like 2 and click OK. Now let's talk about the another option that is available in Word, that is called paragraph spacing. Before that, let's make all this paragraph with line spacing 1. So the question is, what is paragraph spacing? By the word you can easily understand paragraph and spacing. As line spacing, line means the difference between the line. Okay, the space between the line is called line spacing. Similarly, the space between two paragraphs is called paragraph spacing. For that, you have to select the paragraph. Suppose I selected here, then click on the line and paragraph spacing option, go to line spacing option. Here you have to select the space before and after the paragraph you want. Let's take before is 0 points and after is 8 points. I am making it 6. Now you can see. Let's check other options. If we click on 0 points, that means it is the default one. Okay, increase it before 12 points. So the space before this paragraph will be assigned is 12 points. Let's select this paragraph and apply the option again. Let's make before 24 and after 18. So you can see it makes a space of 24 points just after the last paragraph and also makes a space of 18 points from the next paragraph. So for changing the paragraph or line spacing, we have to select the paragraph first, then we have to go to line and paragraph spacing option. From here, click on line spacing option and select the spacing as you required. This part is for line spacing within a paragraph and the left part is for paragraph spacing. After providing the desired value, click on OK. So today we learned how to make line spacing and paragraph spacing within a Word document, where the line spacing defines the space between two lines within a paragraph and the paragraph spacing defines the space between two paragraphs within a page or within a document. So that's all for the day. Stay safe. Have a nice day.